Happy February, everyone out there in the world. This is your boy. It's your boy Sparkle Dump. I want to do an unboxing. I always do this when I'm on camera because I notice the hair is like falling into my face, so it's just a natural thing that I just do without even thinking about it. But I've noticed that when I'm looking through and editing my videos that on literally every one I go like this when I first talk to you guys, and I feel stupid for doing it, self-conscious. But anyway, I wanted to unbox something that I bought, and I've actually forgotten what's in this box. I bought it at auction. I won it at auction, and I forgot what I got. So let's see what I got. Okay, so I've hidden my address because I know that there's some of you out there, some of my friends want to know my address so they can come stalk me and murder me or try to marry me, and that's not going to happen. Unless you look at my older videos where I don't hide any of my addresses very well and you can stalk me and murder me or marry me that way. But I got this from, oh wait, oh my God, this isn't an auction. I'm still gonna post this. These are my shoes, LOL. Oh my God. These are my shoes that I had a cobbler repair online because the local cobbler was way too much. I had to get these resold because they are my favorite Timberland shoes, boots that I've had for years, that I've literally worn for years, and I wore out the soles on them. And so, let's see. Oh my God, that's so funny that I started this off as an unboxing video for an auction. This is gonna be, I unboxed my own shoes video. I'm gonna look back at this in years and just crack up. Okay, I hope they're good. I hope they're real nice. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, so these here are my Timberland boots, and they're like my favorite shade in the world. I got these about 5 years ago at Nordstrom, fancy boy, and the sole was completely coming off. And as you can see, I've got a nice solid leather sole with a rubber boot thingy, whatever the hell those are called, on it. And I've got this like natural patina that has, you know, taken years to acquire. These look great against like dark blue jeans. Did a really good job. This bottom's gonna be rather slippery though, so I'm wondering if I can have this scored. If I take it into Nordstrom, if the shoe guy there can like make it, or I can get something to put on the bottom to make it less slippery. The guy did tell me that this new leather sole wouldn't have any grip if I'm walking on city streets and things like that. So this one is tied. You didn't tie the other one. 1 second here. And here's the other one. I mean, it looks just like the previous one, but side by side, you can see that I'm loving these boots. Now, to bring it back to auction land and eBay land, I wonder if I were to find a pair of insanely valuable boots at a thrift shop, but the soles were completely beyond repair and I had to get the soles replaced. I'm thinking that that's something I could start to look for because it cost about $100 to have these resold. My mom paid for it as a birthday present for me. The local cobbler wanted to charge $150. It was kind of pretentious, so I decided just to go online. Normally I would, you know, go to my local people because I like to buy and shop locally, but he was a bit of an a-hole and a little overpriced, so I went online instead. But I think that I'm gonna start really taking a look at shoes and clothes when I go to Goodwill. I've been bypassing that because I don't know a lot about it, but I know there's a lot of real good opportunities there to make money. And I'm gonna start looking at shoes and clothes and see if they're worth grabbing. All right, thank you for watching my own shoes I ordered unboxing video. I greatly appreciate it. Watch that video become one of my highest watched videos of all time, and no one watches any other ones. I don't know what channel to start. Okay, thank you.